In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a scatter objects add-on based abstract art. To do this, we must activate the scatter objects add-on first. We need a target mesh and a source mesh. We must select the source mesh first, and shift-select the target mesh before using the add-on. Please press F3 to look for scatter objects. Click and drag on the target mesh to create instances of the source mesh, and press Enter to create them. That's how we use the add-on. I'll subdivide the target mesh, and scatter a unique-looking mesh as the source mesh instead of a cube. I'll scale the mesh, and move it away a bit. Let's try clicking and dragging in the perspective view to see what would happen. They're not aligned on the Z-axis when I'm not drawing from the top orthographic view, and that's what we want. I'll create a smooth curve by using a curve point, and try to twist them by using modifiers. We need to add the curve and array modifiers to the scattered meshes, not the plane. I was going to add an array modifier as well, but I changed my mind. Once we move the scattered mesh, we can get this interesting effect. The idea is to twist or bend the meshes to create an abstract scene. The material needs to be added to the first mesh, not the scattered bunch. I have tried duplicating and rotating the mesh, but the duplicated ones didn't seem to appear in the final render image for some reason. I'll create a background plane, and add the sky texture as the environment light. Let's add an empty object and use it as the depth of field anchor for the camera. Lastly, here are my composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.